The most common rheumatic diseases are osteoarthritis, where the cartilage between joints is damaged, and rheumatoid arthritis that belongs to autoimmune diseases such as gut and lupus. It is an inflammation of the joints as in the arthritis. Some of the symptoms are pain and swelling of the joints, reduced mobility, fatigue, decreased appetite, muscle weakness or joint stiffness. There are natural remedies that can alleviate the pain. One mixture of red pepper with coconut oil. Red pepper is filled with capsaicin. This compound has anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. It relieves the pain. It gives more essential relief to the patients with arthritis pain. It is concluded that the cream with capsaicin is very protective and effective for arthritis. Coconut oil is considered to be one of the best natural remedies. It contains remarkable containing of fats known as medium-chain fatty acids. Coconut oil has the capacity to reduce the inflammation and to reduce the inflamed tissues and joints. Ingredients of this mixture: 2 tablespoons of pepper, 1/2 cup of coconut oil. Preparation: mix the red pepper and the coconut oil until they merge. Apply this mixture on the affected joints. If you use this composition regularly, you will reduce the inflammation of the joints. 2. Indian incense. Indian incense contains specific active inflammatory ingredients. Indian incense acids alleviate the pain caused by arthritis, with no side effects. 3. Turmeric and ginger. Turmeric helps in the fight against various kinds of inflammation, chronic pain, back pain and muscle, toothache and arthritis. It successfully recovers tissue and is excellent for detoxification and improvement of the entire health. Turmeric and ginger have strong anti-inflammatory properties and greatly assist in osteoarthritis. Ingredients: 2 glasses of water, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of ground turmeric, honey. Preparation: put the water to boil and then add the turmeric and the ginger. Reduce the temperature and leave it to cook for another 15 minutes. Enjoying this drink twice a day. 4. Cherries. They are perhaps the tastiest analgesic on the list, that help to people who suffer from arthritis, gout or headaches. Cherries have the antioxidant anthocyanin that has anti-inflammatory and analgesic function. 5. Eucalyptus. It is another herb whose effect is positive for rheumatic diseases. Eucalyptus leaves are used against pain, because it contains tannins and may be helpful in reducing swelling of joints. It is desirable when you use eucalyptus oil, to use warm compresses to the painful places because it increases the effect of eucalyptus of swollen joints. 6. Cabbage leaves with vinegar. If you combine the cabbage leaves with a little vinegar, the joint pain, which is caused by changing temperature, will stop torturing you. In a case of arthritis, you can release the joint pain with a single leaf cabbage. This is what you have to do: take 2 or 3 cabbage leaves and soak them in the water, in order to soften slightly. After that, sprinkle the leaves with vinegar. You have to use bandage or a piece of fabric in order to attach the cabbage leaves on the place. The coating has to stand 3-4 hours on the affected area. If you do this at night, you can leave it to stand all night. 7. Green tea. Green tea is one of the most popular beverages in the world and serves as a means to reduce inflammation in the body. It determined that green tea helps with osteoarthritis and rheumatoid gastritis. 8. Ginger water. For this treatment it is good to use ginger water in forms of coating. How to prepare it: 100 to 140 grams of fresh grated ginger, put in a canvas bag, put this bag into hot water, let it for 5 minutes on warm. The water must always be hot. You will need a cotton cloth. Put the cloth in the water, drain it and put it on the sore spot. You need to put a dry cloth to keep the internal heat. The clothes are changed for 5-10 minutes until the skin is not red. The same water can be used to massage the painful spots, which improves blood circulation and body fluids that are at a standstill. 9. Garlic and sunflower oil. Preparation: you will need 300 to 400 grams of peeled garlic. It has to be blended. Put the mixture in a jar and add sunflower oil. Let it to stand on a dark place for 2 weeks. Directions: smear on the sore spot until the oil starts to soak into the skin. Put on warm scarf and stay so all night. The next morning have a warm shower. Even after the first procedure you will feel relief. The treatment should go on for 2 months. 10. Dandelion leaves. They are rich in vitamins A and C. Dandelion leaves have anti-inflammatory features. They can be used in the treatment of rheumatoid arthritis. Ingredients: 1 cup of boiling water, a dash of extra virgin olive oil, 3 teaspoons of fresh dandelion leaves, a handful of fresh leaves. You will need 3 teaspoons of fresh leaves, or you can use 1 teaspoon of dried leaves. Put them in 1 cup of water. Drink it twice a day.